Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to post a video to your Instagram account using an iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone, an Instagram account, a video that we will post to the account. So we can now bring the iPhone into the frame. Go to the Instagram application, click on this. Make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile and then go to the upload button. Choose a video from the start. Click on next. Choose a cover photo for the video. Click on next again. Write a caption. I'll just say hashtag computer science videos. A demonstration to show my iPhone and Mac. We can have more hashtags. Click on OK. We can tag people, add a location, post to other accounts, or post to Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and other social media accounts. Now click on share. This will take some time depending on the quality of the video and the connection. Go to your profile, swipe down a couple of times, go to notifications. The bigger your account, the more you should receive. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.